Ji, Assalamu alaikum, Shahbaz bhai. Shahbaz bhai, today I will explain you the setup that I took yesterday. I took a short setup. This was the trade that I took. My entry was over here and my exit was over here. So let me break down the setup that I took. So what exactly happened yesterday was this gap. There was a huge gap in the market. So what I did, I waited for the price to fill this gap. As soon as the gap was filled in the 1 hour time frame, I waited for a market structure shift or a change of character, which exactly took place over here during the Asian session. When the price created a change of character at this level, I know that now the price is going to pull back to this level. This was a very strong resistance level for me, which I marked it. As soon as the price entered this key level, what I did, I went on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, the price tapped to this key level. As soon as the price tapped to this key level, again I waited for a change of character because all I can see is higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. I waited for a change of character. The change of character took place over here. As soon as this change of character took place, what I did, I marked my POCs. My POC, the main POC that I was able to find was this specific order block over here, which was indeed aligned within this resistance level. This specific order block I had marked. Now, one good thing about this order block is that it has already swept this liquidity. So this is a liquidity order block. It has already swept, and this is an unmitigated order block. So post the change of character, the price came and tapped this unmitigated order block. Post tapping, now I needed a further confirmation in order to entry. So what I did, I shifted to the order flow charts. Now let's go to the order flow charts. Okay, yeah, this is the place. This is exactly what happened. Price came. Now, if you notice at this levels, you can see the buyers, the buyers, the buyers, the buyers. The buyers were pushing hard towards this level. Now, if you notice over here, the buyers with very good strong volume 1029, 574, 513, 1460. Decent volume. Price was bullish, moving towards a very important level, which was the VWAP. Now, if you can see the VWAP, the prices, the buyers were getting rejected at this VWAP, this specific level. Buyers were there. It tried to break, but it did not break. It wicked at this specific point. Again, if you see the buyers, it went and it wicked. As soon as it wicked, where the buyers were failing to break this specific level, what happened? It created a delta divergence over here where you can see the candle of the body of the candle. It's green. However, the volume, the sellers were dominating over here. The sellers were dominating in this candle, as well as this candle, and it was happening at this specific key level, which was the VWAP. So my entry was exactly over here, and why I got this confirmation was because the price swept this specific liquidity over here. As soon as it swept, gave me a delta divergence, and it was happening exactly at the VWAP. Following it, the sellers were aggressive over here than the buyers. So sellers stepped in, good volume of 732, which was higher than the previous candle. Sellers stepped in. My entry was over here, and I targeted till the low of this. This was my entry for yesterday's short setup. Thank you.